What's up, YouTube? This is Uwe here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little bit of extra money on the side. If you want to do it really quick, you can earn about $5 a day. Uh, it's about 35 bucks if you do it every day for a week. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is Prize Rebel. All right, so I'm going to have a link in the description, and you can sign up if you want. It's pretty easy to do. It doesn't take much time. So let me just start off by showing you here. Right? So gold, you have different levels that you can be in here, right? It takes a certain amount of points to get there, and then you get bonuses for, the different level that you are, referral bonuses. Once you hit gold, you can set a reward and it'll automatically process it for you. So, you can say, okay, I want $5 on Amazon. Anytime you hit that, the points requirement for that, it's going to go ahead and process that for you and generate that gift card. All right, you can get special bonuses once you hit gold, which is pretty much a percentage of all the points you got for the month. So gold is 1%. Every point you get for whatever month, they're going to give you 1% of that on top. All right, and then you also get a discount on the prizes. So if you use 500 points to get a $5 Amazon gift card, it's actually going to cost you 495 points. All right. So you really want to get to that gold at least, and it doesn't take very long. If you're making $5 a day, about 500 points is $5. If that's all you're doing, it's going to take you 7 days to hit gold. All right, it's pretty easy. If you do more, you can make it faster. I think I hit gold in a week when I started. I took a little bit of a break, but it's pretty easy to do. All right, so let me just show you here. My rewards history. I got one pending for PayPal, right now. The first time you claim PayPal or a different reward, it takes 24 hours. They pretty much put it on hold for 24 hours. After that period, they're going to go ahead and process that for you. Once you've done that once, though, it's going to make the process a lot quicker. And pretty much, when you claim a reward, it's going to process automatically pretty quickly. Once I did my first Amazon one, they started coming in like real quick. Like I waited for this one, and then it was like boom, boom, boom. I was pretty much clicking it, and they were processing instantly. All right. So there's a couple different things you can do to earn points here, right? We're only going to focus on a couple. All right. So they have raffles and drawings and stuff you can do. It costs points to do it. I don't really do any of that. The main thing, there's two different ones. So your video wall, right? If you go to the video wall, you can earn pretty much half a point for watching videos. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot, right? But you can have this going on up to 3 devices on your account at one time, right? So over the course of an hour on one device, I have this computer, a laptop, and a phone, I get 4 points, right, for that hour, right? So when you multiply that by an entire day, if you let it run all day, you make about $1, right, a day. So I know it doesn't sound like a whole lot, but if you take an average 30-day month, that's 2,880 points. That's almost $29 that you're making for just letting it run on one device. And if you max that out, you're going to make 86 bucks a month for not doing anything. You're just letting it run, right? It's pretty easy. All right. So that's the one thing I started doing where I just let that go. I can show you here if I go to my earnings history, right? You can see like 0.55, 0.55, 0.55, 0.55, right? I'm earning that all the time. All right. The main way to earn points, though, is you're going to want to go to your surveys, right? There's other different, companies you can do surveys through. Some pay just a little, some pay more. But I found that the best thing to do is just to go to your surveys, right? Because you'll always have this one, right? Your daily survey. It says daily, but you do it, it comes back, right? You do it, it comes back. You do it, it comes back. So that'll always be there, right? And it only takes about 6 or 7 of those before you hit your $5 mark. And I can usually do these in about 5 minutes, so it's pretty quick. Like, well, 5 to 10 minutes, I should say. All right, so within an hour, you can make, your $5 and be done for the day, or, you can continue for that. But when you log in, um, a lot of times you'll see these different surveys underneath here, uh, different points, and it tells you how long, like 24 minutes, 218 points. A lot of days when I log in, there will be a 400 or 500 point survey there. And it usually will say about 17, 18 minutes there. But you can do it in about 10. All right. You just got to pay attention while you're doing it. Because there are trap questions where they'll be like, are you currently in a coma? Right? If you click yes, they're just going to disqualify you instantly. Um, but if you do one of those 4 or 500, in about 10 minutes, you can hit your $5 daily goal, and then you can keep going from there to earn $10 for the day, or whatever you want to do. Usually, I'll knock out one of those big ones, and I'll do a couple of the daily surveys. I'll make around $6 or $7 just for doing surveys, in like an hour or less. It just really depends on what's available. But I always try to hit that $5 a day mark. All right, you can see right now I have 2,669 points. So, I mean, that's like almost $27 that I have just sitting there. I'm just waiting for that PayPal to finish so that I can do them instantly. Um, Now, there are a few tricks, I would say, to doing these surveys. I'm not going to tell you to lie, but it helps if you're a certain demographic, right? When you're doing these, because they don't just take everyone. You have to qualify for it, right? So what I have found, being completely honest, is that if you are Hispanic descent, um, you'll qualify for a lot more surveys. Um, Field of job requirements. I use education. Um, that seems to qualify for a lot of those surveys, and you know you want to be married, a homeowner, um, and have a child. Those kind of things will qualify you for a lot more surveys, and you won't get you'll get into more of them and be able to actually complete them for the points. Again, don't lie. Just you know, those are some factors that play into it. Now, back to those trap questions in the surveys themselves. There'll be questions like, you'll be filling out a bubble chart that's like, tell us what you think on a scale of 1 to 10 of this, and in that list of questions is going to be something like, to make sure you're paying attention, please select the far right answer, because if you don't select that, they're going to kick you out of the survey because you're not paying attention. So just make sure you keep an eye out for trap questions like that. But other than that, it's super easy. It doesn't take much time at all, and you can really get a few extra bucks in your pocket. Now, I'm not telling you you're going to make hundreds of dollars a month doing this. Could you? If you put in enough time, you could. But this is a good way just to hop on for 30, 45 minutes, make $5, and continue on doing something else to make money. Um, it's really good to set goals for this, right? So when I started, I was like, I want a new graphics card, and I don't want to pay the markup price because all the miners graphics cards have started going up in price like a ridiculous amount. So I was like, I looked at the price of the graphics card I wanted, and looked at the price of when I originally looked at it, got the difference of that, and said, all right, this is my goal. And it was about $50. So I was like, okay, and I got on. Some days I would do 10, 15, some days 5, and I just did that, and it didn't even take me a week. I hit my goal, and redeemed it for Amazon gift cards and bought my graphics card. So, just be positive about it. You're not going to qualify for every survey. Just keep trying. It really only will take you about an hour to come up with a little extra money, and uh, you can ask, if you tell your friends about it and they want to join, you can get bonuses, for people joining. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, do the videos. If you can let them play on 3 devices, it's not quick, but it's consistent, and you're gonna earn that money. And at the end of the month, you're gonna be like, holy crap, there's an extra $80 now, right? And then and do the surveys, right? You can make this money like really quick. Um, just depends on how much effort you want to put into it. Like I said, reiterate it again. Spend about no more than an hour. You can make $5 to $10. Super simple. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I'm going to be starting a channel. So, just leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And don't forget to click on that link and sign up. All right. Thank you.